Hi everyone. So let's do a little science experiment today. So math and science were never my strong suit. I was definitely more the creative type. Yet when explained to me in common sense, easy to understand terms, science, I'm good for it. So the science behind Norwex is that the cloths will remove 99% of bacteria from your surface. So let's prove it. I've got my wet EnviroCloth, so my E for everything cloth, and it's wet. I've got protein swabs. So color change will happen, and you can see the little graph here. It'll stay green if it's clean. So green means the presence of no bacteria, no protein, because we're going to do it with raw chicken today. If it turns one of these colors, it shows the presence of protein. So I've got a porcelain plate. I've got raw chicken, everybody's favorite to clean up after. It's kind of greasy, grimy. Let's smear it, okay, all over my porcelain plate. So raw chicken. Now let's take our folded EnviroCloth, because again, we want it flat on the surface, and let's wipe it clean. Wipe it so we remove all of that chicken juice. Raw chicken on the cloth, correct? Okay, so let's test it. Let's take the protein swab, rub it all over the plate where I rubbed that raw chicken, and now into the swab, crack it and get our liquid down there. Let's give it a shake. Squeeze it so all the liquid comes down. Come on, baby, work. I never said I was a pro at this. I might not have cracked it well enough. Hey, there we go. So, it's green. Green, remember, green is clean. So my plate, that EnviroCloth picked up, and I want to leave this so everyone can see it, picked up all of that chicken juice, and bacteria and protein went onto the cloth. So now let's take a second one. This time I'll snap it a little better and test the presence of protein on my chicken. So I'm going to rub it right on my raw chicken so you can see that on a second swab, I'm going to show. And let's snap it good. There's our liquid, and it automatically, you can see, there's our raw chicken because it turned purple, according to the chart. So let's go one more step further. This is the side I wiped the raw chicken on. Do you think I'm getting raw chicken on my fingers? Cross-contamination. Will the cloth hold the chicken and not go on my hands and not go on the rest of your surface? Well, let's go back to our clean one, the green, and let's swab the cloth. Run it back and forth. Needless to say, if I get protein, then it means the cloth is releasing that chicken. If it stays green, my cloth is clean. Check it out. Clean, purple, dirty. The cloth is dense enough. We know how much microfiber. Remember, it's 1/200th the size of a human hair. All those microfibers in there are like little fingers. It grabbed that chicken and the juice and the protein, and keep in mind protein, and I'll display a chart along with this video. Protein is smaller than the average flu virus, than the average bacteria. So we know that this cloth is grabbing it like little fingers, grabbing it and holding it. It does not release that until I go to the kitchen sink, rub it under warm water to cleanse it, and then I'm going to hang it to dry. That silver trademark backlock in the cloth is going to self-purify and my cloth will be good to go. So, science. Again, not my strong point, but when I can see it laid out in purple and green, it can prove to me that this cloth will pick up protein that is smaller than bacteria and smaller than a flu virus. So what are you cleaning your surfaces with? Get out your wet Enviro, everyone. Have a good day. Bye.